Today we're going to make brulee peaches and cream. For this recipe you'll need 15-ounce can of sliced peaches packed in heavy or light syrup, 1 cup of cold vanilla Greek yogurt, non-fat or whole milk, half cup of cold heavy whipping cream, half cup of granola cereal, plain or honey flavored, vegetable oil cooking spray. Yogurt and cream whip best when cold, so keep them in the refrigerator until it's time to whip them. Let's start cooking. Turn on the oven to broil. Wait until the oven has boiled for 5 minutes before proceeding to the next steps. Next, line a baking pan with foil, shiny side up. Then spray cooking spray evenly on the lined baking pan. Next, using a colander, drain the can of peaches of its syrup. Discard the syrup. After that, arrange the peach slices on a single spaced out layer on the lined baking pan. Now place the peaches in the oven and broil for 7 minutes. After the 7 minutes, carefully use a fork to flip the peach slices. Broil the other side for another 7 minutes. After the time has elapsed, the peaches should be lightly browned. Allow the peach slices to cool before proceeding to the next step. Cooling takes about 20 minutes. Next, in a small mixing bowl, add yogurt and cream. Then, use a spoon to combine the yogurt and cream. Now, using a hand mixer on low to medium speed, whip the yogurt mixture until it's thick and fluffy. About 3 minutes. Time to serve. Scoop half cup of the whipped yogurt mixture into a small serving bowl. Next, place 2 to 3 slices of the cooled peaches. Then add 2 tablespoons of granola cereal. The recipe is complete. For more detailed instructions, see the written recipe. If you have questions, comments, or suggestions, leave them in the comments and I'll respond. Thank you.